Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the Top Notch Renovation, update number 622-8. This is my version of Lady Liberty and the her platform that she sits on. That is all made out of the foam insulation. That's this stuff right down here. And it has been hand painted by me, and I added some lights and some shrubbery and some little people. Not too shabby, if I do say so myself. It was my first attempt at a rock wall. I apologize for that severe close-up, but I don't think I did too bad. Let me know what you guys think. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it.